All right, so in continuation with the last discussion, so we have seen the information about triggers on a given table. Now, if you are going to go to the next tab, so that's a foreign key tab, which is going to tell you whether there are any foreign key applied on the table or not. Currently, there is no foreign key applied. Then, if there are any partition on the table or not, that is something will be given by again this tab. Then grants. It is going to give you information about the privileges. And then DDL. So DDL is data definition language. So DDL is data definition language means this particular tab is going to give you information about what SQL query has been written when we have created this table. So when you have created this table, you have used create table query on actor table, and then actor ID, first name, last name, and update last updated. These are the 4 columns that you have added to it. Also, actor ID is an unsigned integer with auto increment in it. Similarly, first name is variable character varchar. That means it is going to allow 45 characters in the name, and based on the requirement, it is going to extend itself, and it cannot be a null value. The last name should be again a varchar, which is going to allow 45 character and can be extended if required. Does not allow null value. Right now, last field is last updated. Last updated is timestamp field. That means it is going to give you date and time both, right? And it is not going to be a null field. It could not be a null field, right? Then there is an important thing here, that default. So default current timestamp. Default current timestamp means if you are not going to enter anything in this field, so it is going to by default take current timestamp. Okay. Then primary key they have defined as an actor ID. Then key is last name. So primary key is actor ID and key is last name. Okay, and then engine and auto increment is defined here. So that is what is something is a DDL definition for this particular table. All right, we are going to take more information about the table in the next discussion. Thank you.